Exercises and endorphins as healers of depression and stress. Exercise can have a positive effect during physical activity. Our brains produce extra neurotransmitters, such as endorphins. Endorphins are neurotransmitters associated with the regulation of pain perception. When your body is physically damaged, your brain computes a perception of pain. If you are running or biking, for example, the consistent stress placed on the muscles results in damage and a pain perception associated with it. This exercise-induced damage is a positive outcome. However, as you recover from that damage, your muscles repair themselves and, in addition, make themselves stronger than they were before the exercise. The homeostasis concept applies here as well. If you feel a consistent amount of pain, your brain takes steps to reduce it. Endorphins are released that inhibit the brain's response to that discomfort. When you exercise and you fatigue and damage your muscles, your brain starts to produce endorphins to counteract the painful effects. When you stop exercising, eventually the endorphin production drops again, but not immediately. For a while, those endorphins continue to be produced and influence the brain. The endorphins not only dull the physical pain of exercise, but also inhibit the mental and emotional symptoms of depression. In fact, a variety of other neurotransmitter systems are also activated by exercise. Norepinephrine, for instance, is produced much more during physical activity than during periods of rest. This neurotransmitter increases general arousal for the sake of physical activity. Like the endorphins, norepinephrine production continues for a while, even after you stop exercising.